Have you ever prayed for something and wondered if Yah was even listening? You brought your request before Him, and then silence. Days pass, weeks pass, and you start to wonder, did He hear me? Does He care? Yeshua addressed this directly in Matthew 7, verse 7. He said, "Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you." But here's what many people miss. Ask, seek, and knock are not three ways of saying the same thing. They are three progressive actions. Ask is the prayer of faith. Seek is the pursuit that follows the prayer. Knock is the persistence that refuses to walk away. But Scripture shows us the importance of persistence. In Luke chapter 18, Yeshua told the parable of the persistent widow. She kept coming before the judge until she received justice. The lesson was clear. Yah's people ought always to pray and not give up. Prayer is not just about speaking words. Prayer is about developing a relationship with Yah. When you ask, you acknowledge your need for Him. When you seek, you pursue Him with your whole heart. When you knock, you demonstrate that you trust Him enough to keep standing at the door. Jeremiah 29, verse 13 says, "And ye shall seek me and find me, when ye shall search for me with all your heart." Yah is not hiding from those who sincerely seek Him. The problem is that many people seek answers more than they seek Yah Himself. They want blessings without obedience. They want provision without surrender. They want the promises without pursuing the promise giver. But Scripture teaches that Yah rewards those who diligently seek Him. Sometimes the answer doesn't come immediately because Yah is building patience. Sometimes He is developing faith. Sometimes He is preparing you for the blessing you're asking for. And sometimes His answer is different than what you expected because His wisdom is greater than ours. Remember that every closed door is not necessarily a denial. Some doors are closed because the timing is not yet right. Other doors are closed because Yah is protecting you from something you cannot see. Trust Him. The key is not to stop asking. Do not stop seeking. Do not stop knocking. If you're seeking truth, keep searching the Scriptures. If you're seeking wisdom, keep praying. If you're seeking deliverance, keep trusting Yah. If you're seeking direction, keep walking in obedience to what He has already revealed. Because Yeshua promised that those who ask, receive. Those who seek, find. And to those who knock, the door shall be opened. So don't quit today. Don't let disappointment silence your prayers. Don't let delays destroy your faith. Yah hears, Yah sees, Yah knows. And in His perfect timing, He will answer according to His will. Keep asking, keep seeking, keep knocking, and above all, keep pursuing Yah with your whole heart. If this message encouraged you, share it with somebody who needs to hear it. Subscribe and stay with us as we go deeper into the Word. Open that Word for yourself. Don't take our word for it. Study it. 2 sisters, 1 Bible, 0 compromise. Shalom.